PowerShell looks scary, but it's one of the most powerful tools already built into Windows. Today, I'll show you 5 PowerShell commands that help you find problems, improve performance, and control your PC safely and easily. Step 1. Find power problems. In this first step, you can easily check what's wrong with your power usage. How you do this is by going to CMD and type this command and hit enter. It will give you an analysis for 60 seconds. Windows constantly checks power usage, but it doesn't always tell you what's wasting energy or slowing performance. This command analyzes your system for 60 seconds and creates a detailed energy report. As you can see, I have 7 errors. If I want to know more, I just have to copy this command and it will give me a more detailed report. From here I can find apps draining my battery and detect power settings, hurting my PC performance. Don't worry if you see many warnings. They are recommendations, not errors. Just focus on the most common ones. Step 2. Change CMD color. With this second command, you can change the way your command looks like. To do this, open CMD and type color followed by a code and hit enter. This will make your terminal more readable or just fun to look at. This improves focus and reduces eye strain during long sessions. Plus, it makes your command line look unique. Note that some color combos might make text hard to read, so pick carefully. If I want to go back to my original color, I just have to hit color 07. Step 3. Open website from CMD. Did you know that you can open a website from CMD? Just type the command in PowerShell and press enter. Your default browser opens instantly. This is a quick way to open web pages without leaving the terminal. This is a huge time saver. If you work with scripts a lot, no more switching between apps. Always make sure the link is safe. Malicious ones can harm your PC. Right now I am not connected to the internet. Step 4. Make folder disappear. With this next command we will make a folder disappear. Go to Explorer, hit desktop, and in the top path write CMD. In the CMD enter the command, folder name and hit enter. The folder will disappear. If we want to undo this, make the positive to negative and hit enter. The folder will appear. You can hide sensitive files quickly without third-party software. This helps keep your important documents safe from accidental clicks or prying eyes. Note, this only hides the folder. Anyone who knows how to view hidden or system files can still access it. Step 5. Check command history. In this next command we will look at all commands from the current session. Open CMD and type the command. You'll see all the commands you've run in this session. This is very useful to quickly find past commands without retyping. This saves hours when working on scripts or troubleshooting. You can repeat commands instantly and avoid mistakes. Note that this only shows commands history from the current session. And that's it, 5 PowerShell commands that can make your PC faster, smarter, and way more fun to use. Try them out, see the results, and let me know which one is your favorite. Follow for more quick Windows tips.